In my entire career, I've never seen a case. I had a case of disseminated shingles. So shingles is a virus, chickenpox a virus that lives in your body and causes this eruptive rash. वो body के सिर्फ एक dermatome पे होता है. So normally you'll have it only in just one nerve distribution area. एक dermatome पे वो rash होता है. So this patient had shingles, वो dermatome वाला था, and then it had spread locally, and then it was disseminated, which means more than about 65 to 70% of her body, his body was covered with it. This gentleman was a 38-year-old with no comorbidities. यानी कि he was not diabetic, he was not hypertensive, he did not have low immunity, he did not have cancer. And I was like, oh my god, इसको कुछ चीज़ hidden है. And I'm like an idiot GP who can't diagnose what the problem is. So in the end, I came to the old age के what about stress? He said, मतलब वही मैडम जितनी होती है. तो I'm like, that's fine. So because I ask everybody कि क्या है क्या नहीं, so I asked him, what do you do? And he works in a shift pattern. He works night shifts.
Okay.
It changes, fluctuates as well, but इसकी shift pattern job है. तो जैसे 7
कभी
to
9
7
shift है, कभी day shift है.
Exactly. That was the only risk factor that I could
It's changing again and again.
So his
the
body,
sleeping pattern. और REM cycle भी कम होगी, deep sleep कम होगी, hormonal release कम हो रहा है, growth hormone का release कम हो रहा है, recovery में हो रहा है, बहुत सारी चीजें हो रही होंगी.
And then I was like that, oh my god. I mean, like, this is such a small subtle thing, which to the working
Very smart
class,
of you to even point it out.
not smart at all.
मैं कहता हूँ 99%
लक
डॉक्टर्स
था,
कभी भी
तुक्का
ये
था.
फिगर आउट ना करते, मेरा ख्याल है.